Through the overnight, we're looking at how long those cooler temperatures stick around with your 7-day.
Well, now that we're 6 months into the coronavirus pandemic, we wanted to find out how many people have come in contact with the virus and to see if we're starting to build an immunity. NBC 24's Eric Zernick spoke with local health officials to get answers to these questions. Eric, they say they have a long way to go.
Yes, Aaron, according to ProMedica's Brian Kaminski, because we shut down things fairly early, then started wearing masks, only about 1 in 5 have been exposed to the coronavirus.
The best estimates at this point are in those geographic areas that have had a high incidence of COVID. About 20% of the population has actually had the disease, so that leaves 80% of our country unexposed, which is still, over 200 million people.
This is great news that such a small amount of people has actually been exposed to the virus, but it means we have not really developed an immunity.
I just saw a study that less than 1 in 10 of us actually have any herd immunity, or have immunity, I should say.
For us as a country to get herd immunity, we need that number to go up significantly.
Most estimates on COVID, because of how contagious it is, are that we need to have between 70 and 80% herd immunity in order for the entire group to be protected.
And even those that have gotten the virus and developed antibodies, research shows that the antibodies only last a few months.
And that agreed upon time period right now seems to be at least 3 months.
This means immunity is not the answer, and we will have to wait until a vaccine is ready for us to really get back to normal. In the meantime, we are getting data that proves wearing masks and social distancing are reducing the spread of the virus.
At the peak, we're looking at 150 some odd cases per 100,000. The governor mentioned us. Right now we're low mid 70s, so that really is kind of a drastic decline in numbers.
For those reasons, doctors believe that we will see a second spike in the fall as the cooler weathers will move us inside more and into closer contact. Reporting in Toledo, Eric Zernick, NBC 24 News.
Dental hygienists explain why your mouth may be feeling dirty behind a face covering and what you can do to